Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x to the power of number 3, xy squared, y to the power of number 3. So they are degree number 3. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. First the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we change by vx, dy over dx we change by this one. So this one we have v square x to the power of number 3. This one we have v to the power of number 3 x to the power of number 3. Now we need to simplify x to the power of number 3 for the both sides. Later that we divide both sides by 1 plus v squared. Next, I will put v go to the right and we have negative v. Now we do common denominators. So we have v plus v to the power of number 3. And now we need to simplify this one minus v to the power of number 3. So we have only positive v to the power of number 3 minus v. Next, this one I will put on the left, dx and x I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Now, we need to concentrate on this one. So, this one we can do about factorization. This one that is about identities. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over v plus b over v minus 1 plus c over v plus 1. And now we do common denominator. About the first one, it is missing about v minus 1, v plus 1. So capital A multiplied by v minus 1, v plus 1. About this one, it is missing about v and v plus 1. About this one, it is missing about v and v minus 1. Next, this one we have v squared minus 1. This one we have v squared plus v. And this one we have v squared minus v. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of v. About v squared, we have a plus b plus c. About v, we have b minus c. About the numbers, we have negative 8. Now, we need to compare coefficients. So we have v squared. So that means this one equals to number 1 because coefficient of v squared equals to number 1. We don't have v, so b minus c equals to number 0. And the last one equals to positive number 1. And now we need to create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So 8 equals to negative number 1, B equals to number 1, C equals to number 1. So we put A, B, C, go back in here. And now we have the final answer. So we need to go back in here. The interaction of this one, that is about this one. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. About v, that is about this one, so we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.